Oh, baby girl! Your ass is wearing lashes.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this.
What is up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, what's up? My name is Esther and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So, I mean, come on, let's just... I can't even hold myself together. Guys, I am so excited about this video because I just achieved this beautiful look using no foundation at all, and I am just, oh my gosh, in love. I've done this look a lot of times off camera. This is actually my everyday look nowadays, but I just love it because I'm giving you guys natural, like skin-like. Everything is sitting in my skin so nice and it's melted into my skin so it looks like my skin, and I don't even have much product on, and that's why I am so in love with this, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys already know, give this video a big thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that notification bell so then you're always notified when your girl uploads. So let's go ahead and get started. I am doing so well because I woke up super early. I'm looking tired as usual. Okay, I drank my coffee, so I might be a little giddy and stuff. Okay, but we feel good this morning. I've already washed my face, so we're starting with a clean base face. Okay, and some of these products I might use a lot of them with one brand, so bear with that. So yeah, we're starting with a clean face, you guys, and I'm feeling so good. I got my water right here. Gotta wash down that coffee, girl. I've been loving filming in my living room lately. It's been a thing for me. I feel like I don't even miss my beauty room anymore because of the light boxes and all that stuff. But this, I love opening my windows. I feel good, okay? So I hope you guys have been liking it too. Sometimes I know the lighting is like on and off because of... That's the little thing about lighting. That's the thing about natural lighting. Sometimes you might get a good day and it's like the same. Sometimes it might not. It might go on and off. But nonetheless, girl, I still love it. So I'm going to start off with my brows because clearly they're not done. And I wanted to do my brows on this video so then I can show you guys just a whole full beat face. Well, not beat, but a whole full face. So I cannot find my brow pencil anywhere, okay? I have lost my Benefit brow pencil. Don't even know where it's gone. And my NYX and my Anastasia is all done. I'm so mad. Like, I'm so furious right now. And I hate using pencil, but I'm stuck using pencil for today's look. But this pencil is not terrible. This is the MERCIER brow pencil. Now, this is not terrible. It has a spoolie at the top and also it also has the pencil on the bottom. So the reason why I don't really care for brow pencils like this is because you have to sharpen it too much, and I'm not crazy for that. I like the ones which are just like, you know, you twirl it and it comes out. And these, sometimes when you sharpen it, it goes flat. Oh, it's just messy. I'm going to do my brows. I haven't got my brows done in a minute, so I just been doing it my own. I feel like when I go back and get my brows done, I'm going to be in so much pain because I usually do thread than waxing. I prefer threading because my brows are so thin, so waxing, they're a little tricky. You can take out too much and you can't go back. Same thing with threading, but threading I could just be like, hold on, I feel like you're taking too much hair, okay? So I'm just gonna start with my usual routine. So I'm not even putting a lot of pressure on this brow pencil. I'm just lightly giving myself my arch. Do the same thing to the top. So I'm gonna do this side, and I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this. I'm just lightly, you know, just adjust your brows. Everybody's brows are different, so I feel like brow tutorials are helpful, but then at the same time, you kind of just have to know your brows. And you kind of have to see what kind of look you want to give your brows to, because like I said, everybody's brows are different, so you can't expect my brows to look like your brows. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this brows up, and I'm going to grab this MERCIER Ultra Longwear Concealer in the shade 6-9. So what I do, I usually normally take the concealer on the back of my hand, and I put a good amount that's going to clean both of my brows. And then I take my Morphe M432 brush, take that concealer, and start cleaning it up. Now this concealer shade is like spot on, almost my skin tone. It's a little bit bright, but not that much. So you could use a brighter concealer. You could use your shade concealer. It doesn't really matter. It depends what you're going for. For me, I switch. Sometimes I like using a little bit of a lighter concealer, and sometimes I like using my skin tone. But today, because we're going for more of a natural look, more, you know, realistic, relatable look, we're gonna use the same, well, damn near the same shade as my skin tone. I'm gonna grab my favorite moisturizer. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel, and this is the extra dry skin. My babes, if you have dry skin, like extra dry skin, grab this one, but get the one that says extra dry skin. There's two different kinds. I am going to use this all over my face because I washed my face and I did not moisturize, and we want my no makeup look today to look still good underneath. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's snowing. What the heck? Thank God I do not get out the house often because I hate the snow. I hate driving in the snow. Snow is so depressing, you guys. It's beautiful when it falls, you know what I'm saying? But it's depressing when you're driving in it. And I know everybody can agree with me on that. So now I'm going to grab my Badescu spray. Ooh, that feels amazing. Oh, it feels so good. Ooh. I know it's a lot of steps I'm doing, but trust me, you have to still take care of your skin underneath that makeup or no foundation makeup look. Still take care of your skin because you still want a flawless look at the end of the day, because I'm not rocking foundation. So I want this whole look to look like it's my skin, okay? So I'm gonna grab this OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Brightening Eye Cream. Perfect to brighten up underneath my eyes because I just woke up not that long ago. I want to look awakened and alive, so this is definitely going to help with that. Man, I'm telling you, there's a lot in here, and I don't ever use like too much. So this banana cream is going to last me a very long time. And then this side too. So for foundation primer, I'm going to grab the MERCIER foundation primer. I was going to grab the hydrating one. I have both of them, but today I'm going to use this one because I'm going to use other setting spray to hydrate my skin even more. So this one would do, and I'm just going to work this all over my skin. So because I'm not using foundation, okay, I don't know why I've been sleeping on this, and I know a lot of you guys use this a lot, but the fact that I wear foundation a lot, I feel like I didn't really care to use this. And this is the MERCIER Tint Moisturizer. If you do not wear foundation or you're not trying to wear foundation, I would highly recommend you guys to get your hands on a tint moisturizer. It just gives you a little bit of a color. It's not full coverage, so you're not going to get a full coverage look with this if you use this other than, you know, a foundation. Now I am in the shade 6W, okay? Honestly, I don't even know if this is my shade or not, but MERCIER sent it to me and I've been using it. So I don't know if it's it's probably slightly a little darker, but I can get away with this. Amber is too dark for me. So you can tell which one is lighter and which one is darker. Yeah, so I'm gonna just use this one. This one actually has a little bit of glow with it, so I feel like this will be perfect if I was rocking this in the summer, but I'm not. So we're gonna end up using this one today. Okay, so I'm going to take my hands, use this all over my face. You see what I mean? It's just supposed to give you a color, and then use it underneath my neck as well. I find it easier for me to blend it with my hands. It's a lot more quicker, and hands is like the perfect tool to be using when you're applying makeup. I feel like your skin warming up to your face, to your body is like the perfect application ever. I could leave it like that, but I gotta still cover my dark circles, my puffy eyes. We gotta tone that down a little bit. So for concealer, I'm gonna grab the MERCIER Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 4N and 6N. I know I'm using a lot of MERCIER products today, but I usually grab MERCIER products because they're very lightweight. Like, I just feel like I'm not wearing, you know, much makeup. I'm gonna take my brush that I've been using, and this is the Morphe M173 brush. Clean it up a little bit. And I'm just going to blend that out a little bit, just to like cover up my dark circles, brighten it up a little bit. And also take that concealer on top of my eyelid, so then we are evened out. We don't have just like, just a bright under eye right here, and then my eyes are looking funky. This brush is like perfect to blend out your concealer, child. Woo! Do y'all see that already? I look pretty alive. So about that all in. And do the same thing to the other eye. Now, y'all see that? It looks so good. So now I'm gonna grab 4N. 4N is a little bit bright. The reason why I grabbed 4N is because I want to brighten it up just a tad bit. Tad bit. Not even that much, like just a dot. Okay, literally. And this is just going to brighten it up a lot more than what 6N did. You might not see it, you guys, but it makes a huge difference. Like, OMG. Y'all can see it. It brightened it up a little bit. Alright, so that is blended pretty good. I'm telling y'all, this brush is a lifesaver. Actually, this is my first time using it like this. I never used it this much, and it blended everything so nice. Like, it's melting into my skin, honey. Before we move or do anything, I gotta set underneath my eyes, because ain't nobody got time for that. To set today, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of product, and I'm going to just grab a brush. This is pretty flat. I'm just going to grab a little bit, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to set like this today. Normally, I grab my beauty blender to set, but because this is such a light makeup, I don't want to go heavy-handed with this setting powder at all. But I still have to set underneath my eyes so we don't have any like creases or anything like that, because that would not be good. In case you are curious about this brush, I got this in the holiday collection from NARS. So it doesn't even have a number, it doesn't have a name, it just says NARS. So this is their newest brush set for the holidays. So I am not going to cream contour, I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm going to grab this Mented Cosmetics Season 1 bronzer. I'm going to grab this side and I'm just going to bronze up my face. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this brush, I'm just like feathering around my face. Give myself a little bronze. Can't forget about the nose, you guys. We cannot neglect the nose contour. It's crazy how a tint moisturizer can just make you look like your face, it looks like I have foundation on, but really I don't. And that's why I like a tint moisturizer. So I am going to grab, okay, this is not the color I was going for my blush today, but it would do because I can't find the other one. And y'all know I love Mented blush. If you haven't got your hands on the Mented blush, you need to try it because they are women of color friendly bomb blushes. I feel like some people are sleeping on this. So yeah, this is called Berry Away. So I'm going to grab this Sigma Spotlight Duster brush. I like this for blush. But the thing is, when I do looks like this, I normally love wearing a lot of blush. I don't know why, it's just been a thing for me. But today I'm not gonna do like too much, just to give my cheeks a little bit of color. So what I'm gonna do is grab the TATCHA. You guys know how I feel about this product. I use it a lot when I do the no makeup look, dewy look, natural. This is what I go for, okay? And this is the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Mist. Let that just sit on your face real quick. Ooh. I love using a lot of this, but it's so expensive. And I wish it was like a lot bigger. But that's just going to give my skin, like, I want it to look glowy. I still want it to look natural and dewy. You know, if I'm going to do a look like this, I can't forget about a highlighter. I mean, I don't have to wear a highlighter, but NARS just came out with the best highlighter right now. I tested out and I feel like it is smooth like butter. Do y'all see that? It's literally smooth like butter. Let me just take the shade. So it's gonna sit into my skin really, really well. So it's not gonna look like a fake highlighter. It's gonna look like my face is really highlighting in those points. Like right now you can kind of see my face is kind of highlighting, but we're just gonna add just a little bit more. So I'm gonna grab this shade right here. I'm gonna use my finger and just add a little bit right here. I'm not even gonna add too much, just the points that I usually highlight. When I do looks like this, my finger becomes my best friend. I kid you not. Also my chin got a glow a little bit. When I'm using this highlighter, all I'm doing is patting it on. I'm not like pulling and tagging at all. I'm just patting. All right, to give my eyes a little bit of color, I'm just gonna grab a setting powder. And I'm not using a setting powder because I feel like there's no use of it today. But this is just going to give my eyes a little bit of color and set my eyes as well. You guys know I cannot live without lashes. I have to pop some lashes on because my natural lashes are naturally short. And I ain't got time. Okay? We still want to look cute. For the mascara today, I'm gonna grab this NARS Climax Mascara. The brush on this is so fat and big. I'm just going to bring my lashes out and about. Okay, so if you feel like you do not need to wear lashes, this is it, okay? This will be it for this look. But if you feel like you need to wear lashes like me, I'm gonna pop some lashes on just to like make this look pop a lot more. Oh, baby girl! You're wearing lashes. Your ass is wearing lashes. Lashes literally put the a basic AF look to like a more, ooh, girl, a glamorous, you are it look. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for my lash glue to get a little tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this Morphe setting mist and go ahead and set my face. Pretty tacky now, so I'm gonna just place it on my eyeball. That, boom. What I'm doing is just pinching my natural lash with the falsies. I gotta put on the other side. All right, this side is my least favorite side to put on lashes because every time I try to put them on, it seems like this lash is not trying to stick. So you guys, I am almost done. It is now time for the lips. I'm gonna grab this new lip balm from NARS, and this is in the shade Turbo. Now they came out with a lot of new shades, but I like this one in particular. This gives me a little bit of color, and I don't have to wear like a lip liner or anything like that. So freaking pretty. I love. How do you guys feel about this look? Now this is more of like the most no makeup look I can give to you guys today. It's so beautiful, but yet I still look alive. Like from the beginning until now, huge difference. Like I look more alive now. So let me go ahead and fix my hair real quick and I'll be right back. All right, my babies, so this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're new to this channel, and leave me a nice little comment down below because I am sure to comment back. I love y'all so much. Now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.